ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 75 श्लोका 3। हस्तप्राप्योऽप्यगम्यो झटिति मुनिजनः एव धावन् गजेन्द्रं क्रीडन्नापात्य भूमौ पुनरभिपततः तस्य दन्तं सजीवम् मूलादुन्मूल्य तन्मूलगमहित महामौक्तिकान्यात्ममित्रे प्रादाहात्वं हारमेभिः ललितविरचितं राधिकायै दिशेति. Word by word meaning. Tvam, thou. Munijanasya iva, as by the sages. Hastaprapyaha api, though could be grasped. Agamyaha, not actually attainable. Dhavan, running. Kridan, playing. Gajendram, the elephant. Jhatiti, suddenly. Bhumau, on the ground. Apatya, pushing down. Punaha, abhipatataha, tasya, of him who was rushing towards thee again. Dantam, the tusk. Sajivam, Moolat, Amulya, pulling out live with the root. Tan Moola Gamahita Mahamoukti Kani, the large priceless pearls at its root. Aibihi, with these pearls. Lalita Virachitam Haram, a beautifully made necklace. Radhikayai, to Radha. Disha, give. Iti, thus. Atma Mitre Pradaha, didst give to thy dear friend Sri Dhama. Full meaning. Just as thou dost elude sages even after being almost grasped, thou didst run towards the elephant and play, but elude his grasp, and then didst suddenly push him down on the ground. Thou didst then pull out his tusk live with the root when he rushed towards thee again. Thou didst then give the large, priceless pearls at the root of the tusk to thy dear friend Sridama, saying, make a beautiful necklace with these and give it to Radha. Om Tat Sat.